Hi guys, on today's video, I'm gonna have a gunfight with my friend. But where's my friend? Is that him? Oh, that is my friend. Hello, friend. I have a friend. Hey, stop. You're going to the wrong direction. Sorry, Zara boys. Gunfight. Blood dahil po bro. It's one gun. Okay, wait. Wahaha. It's a gunfight and blood really. Ah! Oh no, he's getting it. I need to run. I need to hide here. Wait. I'm just gonna sneak out here. Blood mist, lol. Well, he said he found it. He found it. Oh! Good fight, and that's it. Dragon Explode! Lord, bad aim. Haha, you're so easy. Haha. Blood is running. Haha. What guy? Oi, oi, oi. The first fake. Blood is really running. Is Blood gonna try and get the bullet and run away? I'm just gonna watch. I know he's gonna run. Well, not for long. No more. How is it still surviving? Is it unstoppable? Yeah. Where's that guy though? Because I don't know. We still want to have a gun fight again. Okay. The treasure chest, he just found the one piece. Oh. Boy, where's this mysterious kid? Boy. Okay, we're gonna have a light fight. They wanna join the gun fight? Wait. Bro, where is he now? Sir, have a nice time, huh? I definitely. So you want my gun, huh? Yeah, that's a good shot. What, you dodged it? Ha ha ha, you cannot stop. Ah ha ha, you missed. Ha ha, oh my. It's strong. Ha ha ha. He's about to shoot me, guys. What? Hehehe, keep missing, boy. Oh no, he's cheating now. Gun fight is over now. Burn. One shot. Bro is just too weak. So what the hell in that bed? Really? Wait, is that the one piece sword? Wait, that's not the one piece sword. That's shark saw. Blade. Is that RV2? Oh, have RV2. Is blood coming back? Ow, ow. Blood is not even taking a single damage. Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, watch your face is too stuff.